Hello students, exams play a crucial role in the learning process of students. Exams are important for assessing academic success since they are essential to students' development. So to achieve success and score more marks in history, I, Neelam Chauhan, history teacher of Orchids International School, is here to give you tips to maximize your marks. Common mistakes made by students. So students, now we are going to discuss the mistakes that students commonly make during attempting the exam. Not reading the questions properly. Students often misinterpret questions by skipping through them too quickly. It is essential to read each question carefully to fully understand what's being asked. This minimizes errors and helps in giving relevant answers. Second, forgets the question subparts. Many questions have multiple subparts that need individual attention. Missing of any of these parts result in incomplete answer and lose marks. Breaking down the question ensures all aspects are addressed. The third, poor time management. Managing time during exam is very crucial. Many students spend too long on certain questions and leave little time for rest. Practicing time mock test can help improve time allocation across all questions. Next, improper structuring of long answers. Long answers need a clear structure with an introduction, body and conclusion. Proper structuring helps convey ideas logically, making it easier for examiners to follow and award marks. Next, lack of revision. Revising answers before submission allows students to catch and correct mistakes. Leaving time for a final review ensure clarity, accuracy and completeness in their responses. So, lack of map practice. History exams often require map skill, such as marking locations. Regular map practices ensures accuracy in positioning and labeling, which is essential for full marks in these questions. For example, like historical sites of Harappa, Vijayanagara, British residencies, centers of revolt of 1857 and places of national movement. Lack of sample papers practice. Practicing with sample papers helps familiarize students with the exam format and question types. This practice boosts confidence and enhances understanding of frequently tested concepts. Next, not adhering to word limit. It is mostly seen that the students do not limit to the word limit. It is crucial for concise answers and effective time management. Writing too much wastes time, while writing too little may miss critical points. Now, points to remember before appearing in the exam. Proper facts and figures, including accurate facts, dates, statistics, and names adds credibility to answers, especially in subjects like history. Facts and figures show the depth of knowledge and improve answers' quality. NCERT books are rightfully regarded as the best preparation for CBSE exam. So, give the NCERT books a thorough reading. Read out loud as the possibility of retention increases manifolds when we read loudly. Read question paper twice or thrice. Reading the question paper more than once helps students understand all questions fully. This ensures that they don't miss any details. Allocate time wisely and start with questions they are most confident about. Presentation. A neat and well-organized presentation attracts examiner. With clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points make answers easier to read and understand. Good presentation skills can positively impact an examiner's impression and enhance the overall score. Include relevant examples. Examples help illustrate key points, making answers more relatable and understandable. Relevant examples showcase understanding and provide context to theoretical answers, which can improve marks. Source-based question. Source-based questions can get tricky. Read the source twice or thrice. Answer the questions based on a wholesome understanding of the concept. Mind maps and timelines. Draw mind maps and create timelines on your own. This enables us to remember the historical events and sequence of their occurrence easily. Practice mock tests. Take mock tests regularly to improve your time management skill. Divide your time wisely when attempting the question paper so that no questions are left unanswered due to lack of time. Use of keywords and key points. Highlighting keywords and structuring answers with key points helps make the main ideas stand out. Using subject-specific terminology and concise points can make the answer more impactful and scoring. In the end, stay calm and focused. Manage exam anxiety through relaxation techniques and positive self-talk. All the best for your exams.